everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Maha from Maha's Lebanese Cuisine. Today we are going all the way back home to Lebanon to make Khibiz Saj. So we are going to start with the dough. I'm using whole wheat flour. I like it. You know, you can use all-purpose flour, but my preference is the whole wheat. It's healthier. I'm gonna put the flour. I have 8 cups of flour here. Sugar and yeast, dry yeast. If you are diabetic, you can skip the sugar, but the sugar gives the bread like nice gold color. Gonna mix them a little bit. Gonna make a small well in the middle. I'm gonna check to see if all the flour is mixed from the bottom. No, we still have some more flour in the bottom. This flour, I got it today. It's different than the flour I used last week. So each flour is different when you put water to it. I shouldn't add the half cup at the end. I should wait. So just put 5 cups. If you need more, you add a little bit more. As you can see, the dough is little loose. I need it a little bit more harder, not too much, little bit more. So I'm gonna add some flour to it. The dough is sticking to my hand too much. I don't want it. I don't want to see that. I'm gonna be adding maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons whole wheat flour to it. And if you are making it, the 8 cups, they need 5 cups water, not 5.5. I mix them with my hand to just make sure that the flour is all over the dough. Now I'm gonna put it back with the machine, make it, and let's see. I don't want the dough to stick to the sides. That's how I want it. So I'm gonna put it with the machine. Let's knead it good, and I think this is good. I'm gonna show you now how it's supposed to be. This is the thickness for the dough. You see, it's not sticking to the sides. This is what you want to see. And you want it silky and nice like that. So I'm gonna put some of the corn flour here and take a piece of the dough, not all of it, just small piece like that, little by little. Roll it like that and make it small balls. It's up to you how big or small you want it, but for my pillow, this is the size I use. And try to make nice smooth ball. Just put the edges inside like that. And then put them all together like this, and that's it. You have very nice even circle ball. Then you cover it all with flour like this and put them in a tray. Cover them with wet towel and wait 45 minutes to 1 hour until the dough is activated very well, and then we'll make the bread. So now this is the dough. It's ready. It doubled the size. Let me show you. You see, when you do like this, it has to be like hollow from inside. Yeah, so this is ready. Let's turn on the Saj, and then we'll start make our bread. This pillow, it's specially for this bread. It has a handle here. After you make it, you make the bread, you roll it by your hands and put it here. It will be much easier for you just to put it on the Saj. So this is the Saj. I brought it from Lebanon with me. I put it in my suitcase. It took all the space and I couldn't get anything else in the suitcase. So I'm gonna turn it on and we'll start making the bread. That's the way it's from inside. The Saj has small holes all around, so the bread will get evenly cooked. So now we are waiting for the Saj to get warm. And the trick to see if it's warm, just I'll sprinkle like little flour on top. If they get burned, that means it's ready. So we usually make the bread in the morning, and it comes with a very beautiful breakfast. So we have olive, we have labneh, it's a strained yogurt, it's homemade. We have the za'atar, this is pickled eggplant, it's pickled eggplants with walnuts and garlic. Olives, this is homemade cheese, tomato, and this is my homemade apricot jam, and this is my homemade mixed berry and strawberry jam. And this is very traditional over there. It's meat. You make eggs with meat. We call it qawarma, but it's like the lamb meat with the fat. They cook it together, and it's yummy. The trick to make this bread, you have to go on the sides, not from the middle, from the sides. You need this side to be thin, because you need the edges very, very thin, because it's a thin bread. Just working on the edges. I'm not gonna touch the middle. You'll know when I start rolling the bread on my hands. Because okay, now we are going to hold it like that and stir it like this. Switch it. Until you get nice, even, and then that's now the pillows can work like this. You put it and try to open it as much as you want without ripping it, but if you rip it, it's okay. You're going to eat it anyway. It's windy. So now when I'm waiting for this to get cooked, I'm gonna prepare another one. You'll wait until it's like gold color, and then you'll take it. I'm gonna roll this bread, get it ready. When this is ready to get out, I have another one. You see how easy? But it took me so long, so with practice now I'm good. Okay, so this bread is ready. You see the color? How nice. If it sticks, just use the knife to help yourself. It's so good with the yogurt and the za'atar. My God, it melts in your mouth. Best part of the making this, my whole family, they will be ready, waiting on the side for me to make this bread, and they will eat it on the spot. Just grab the bread and make sandwich and eat it. This is my favorite part. So now you know how to make khibiz saj. Next week we will be making lahmi b'ajin. So stay tuned, and I will see you next week. Bye.